Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. How are you? This is Sunday, November 7th, 2021, and I certainly hope everyone is having a terrific weekend and a great Sunday. Well, we're going to hit it tomorrow. Back to the grind, back to trading, back to business, and I've got some stocks here I would like to share with you. Something to think about over, for this evening if you look at this video. These are some charts that I'm considering, and I'll point out a few places that I'm looking for an entry, a stop, things like that. Before we get started, I want to let you know that what I did is I pulled, let's see, five stocks out of here, right here. The list, here's the list down here. This list is updated, every couple of days maybe. I might take one off, add another on if it meets my criteria here. So you can check this list out. I will post a link to this list down below the video there. I also want to let you know that each Monday, I do a live webinar at 11:45 Eastern. I'd like to invite everybody. Simply go to this page, and again, I'll put that link down below. Simply click on this, and this will get you in. And this is every Monday at 11:45 Eastern. Here's just a video to one of our videos. You've probably already seen it. On, Thursday, November 18th, I'm hosting a workshop for the rounded bottom breakout. I'll be introducing a way to maybe grab a better entry rather than the same, the entry that we always look for, or, well, you'll see at the workshop. But I'll show you a way to grab that. I'll be putting code out there for both TC2000 and live trading alerts. I'll explain the code just in case you don't have TC2000 or live trading alerts. I'll be doing that as well. So just click on this, and if you want to register for that workshop, please do so. Hope to have you there. Let's see, I said Thursday the 18th. There's also one on Saturday the 20th that I'll be hosting as well. Okay, let's get to business here. Remember, check below. I'll put that link in there. But let's take a look at some charts right now that I'm considering off that list. And one of them is Pershing Square here. Pershing Square, that's PSTH. We had a big pop to the upside here. Let's get that going. There we go. This big move up, and here we've pulled back. And then Friday, we put in a nice candle here, possibly reversing. Now, my goal will be to maybe get an entry in this area right in here. But I will have no problem putting an entry on this breakout here. If it moves below 19, let's drop it down to 80, just around that number, 1980, I'll have to be stopped out on that because I don't want to chase it to the downside. I only want to work it to the upside. So if I miss an entry here, again, I will take an entry up into the breakout area. As I look at this, I see tons and tons of room here. This is a rounded bottom breakout, by the way, and this is the type of chart we'll be talking about on the Thursday webinar and the Saturday workshops, Thursday workshop and the Saturday workshop. CAR, let's talk about CAR. So I did not catch any of this on CAR. I'm looking to catch maybe the next move, if there is a next move. What I'll be looking for is price action staying above 270, 245 here. What I would love to do is catch an entry down into this area right here. Would love to do that green area. But I'm not opposed to letting it break out and then setting up. And the setup, I mean, would be a rise and a pullback, similar to our 3/8 trap, but it might not get into the 3/8 trap. So it might be a little, say, price action down to the 3 maybe or something. We'll be talking about in the trading room tomorrow morning about that. So if we look at this car, I mean, my goodness sakes, you know, just an entry up into here, and if you went to the very top where it's been, we're talking a 76%. Nice little playground here. I'd like to play on it a little bit. Another chart I'm looking at is MRIN. Now, MRIN popped up over here and just steadily went downhill. Looks like it found buyers at the dotted deuce here. Nice bullish engulf. Now, ideally, once again, I would like to see an entry in this area here with about a 685 stop. Anything below 685, I'm just not going to be interested in it until it starts coming back up. I will not hesitate on a breakout entry. I will not hesitate for a second on that. If everything is going right as far as the market goes, and I feel comfortable entering MRIN at tomorrow or next week, then I'll certainly be doing that. I've only got two more to look at here. One is GRPN. It's consolidated here. It actually made a nice little scoop pattern right here. That would be the handle, and this would be the ladle part of it here. And you can see where we broke out. So nice looking price action candlestick chart. This is a rounded bottom breakout. This is what I'll be teaching. And I'll also be teaching something kind of new, but how you might get in a little earlier down here for bigger gains, if you will. Once again, nothing's going to change. You know, I'm always going to look at it like this way here. We had a big pop up, give me an inside day, possible entry here. I certainly will not be opposed to a breakout entry, and then we'll look at moving up. One of the main targets, one of the main targets that I look for is the dotted deuce up here. We'll talk about that more in the morning in the trading room, and we'll be talking about that a lot in the RBB workshop Thursday and Sunday. These are two separate workshops, by the way. Two separate. It's not 2 days of workshops. Two separate. We'll also be looking at possible points between this breakout here and the dotted deuce for taking profits. The last one I have is KR. I like what KR is doing. Banks, regional banks seem to be acting pretty good. I like KR because it broke out. It's making a nice little couple of inside day bars here, and it's inside to this bullish bar here. Anything below about, we'll round that to $73. Anything below $73, I'm just not going to be interested in it. In fact, anything below 73 would set us up for possible head and shoulders there. So I'll definitely pass on that, and I don't want to be in it below 73, but I will absolutely look to be in it above that 73 area, whether it's inside this box or a possible breakout there. So again, I want to remind everybody, check below. I will put this link down here. Hey, if you do have a minute, please come by and check us out every Monday at 11:45 Eastern. Just simply click here to log in. Also, if you are interested in the scanner, just download the scanner and then schedule some time for me. It's absolutely free. I'm putting together a group of people, a small group of people, where I'll go through some of my favorite scans, and but we'll get that set up as well. Anyway, here's the watch list that I pulled, the stocks that I just went over from. Check this out. This is updated sometimes every day, sometimes every other day. It kind of depends on market conditions, and I go through and watch these. So if you get a chance, just hang on to this link, and always, come back here and check on this. Check on it a couple times a day. Thanks to all the Hit Run Candlestick members. They're so kind to post some of their wins and losses in here. Yeah, losses too. But you can see how these go throughout the day. So thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching the video. Hey, look, click on that button. There'll be a button over here to subscribe, and then there's a bell if you want to be alerted each time we put a video out. Just click on those. I sure would appreciate it. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care.